The IHP extension identifies an InstallShield Express project file containing installation package authoring project data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, build, or troubleshoot these installer project files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for IHP problems. See below for my top choice. IHP Files are project files for InstallShield Express, a simplified Windows installer authoring tool. They contain installation project definitions, including file selections, registry modifications, shortcut configurations, and UI dialog sequences for creating MSI installation packages. InstallShield Express IHP files use a proprietary format, storing project configuration data, including product metadata, feature and component definitions file groups, registry entries, custom action scripts, and dialog sequence configurations for the installation wizard. The default recognized opener for IHP files is known to be InstallShield from Revenera. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows shows only what the script contains, while the runtime determines how it behaves. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the IHP file and choose Open With. If InstallShield is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If your IHP file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the IHP file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, opening the project. Install InstallShield Express and open the IHP file via File then Open Project. The project wizard displays all configuration sections including application information, installation requirements, files registry, and dialogues for editing and build configuration. Next, building the installer. After configuring the IHP project, navigate to Build then Build Installation to compile the project into a distributable MSI or XE installer package. Configure build settings including compression output location and digital signing before starting the build process. Finally, troubleshooting build errors. If the build fails, check the output log for specific error messages. Common issues include missing source files, invalid registry entries, and custom action script errors. Verify all file references point to valid paths and that prerequisite components are properly configured. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagic is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagic. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.